Yes, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Still on same matter, night duty. I'm Corporal Bibola Abdulakim, radiating esotomically from the headquarters of Meka Tutoria. Of course, this one is dedicated to all my Emilokan. Yes, it's my Emilokan Eshiwaju. Now, let's say we are on a topic in mathematics, angle of elevation and depression. Of course, let's look at this question. An aircraft is circling an airport at a height of 600 meters. The navigator finds that the angle of depression of the control tower of the aircraft is 30 degrees. What is the distance between the aircraft and the control tower if the height of the tower is 15 meters? Of course, there is room for sketching. Room for what? Sketch. You need to sketch to know what you are doing here. Of course, a tower, normal ground, you have a tower. Tower is an island where you can easily view where when the aeroplane is coming from. Of course, from here, the NASA said that our aircraft is circling an airport at a height of 600 meter. At the height of 600 meter, 600 mile here. Question now, the navigator find that the angle of depression. Depression means the pilot, look at it here. Now, the navigator finds that the angle of depression of the control tower of the airport is 30 degree. Angles of depression to the tower. This is tower. This one is what? The navigator. Of course, angle of depression here. This one is what? 30 degree. 30 degree. Now, and from here, what is the distance between the aircraft and the control tower? This control tower, and look at the aircraft here. If the height of the tower is 15, definitely this place is 15 meter. That is the height of the tower. Of course, take this. This one has formed a triangle. Each here is 15. Here is also what? 15 meter. Remember, when a transverse crosses a parallel line, alternate angles are what? Equal. If from here to here is 30, here to will also be what? 30 degree. That is what you are going to use. You alternate this one give you 30 degree. So from here, I can find the value of my s. Of course, this one has formed what? A right angle triangle. It has formed a right angle triangle. And in dealing with problem in right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem or what? So Katua. Let us try to analyze this here. This from here to here is x. Let's break out a triangle. And we have something like this. This one become what? 30 degree. Remember, here, what do you have here? You have here, we have to calculate here, make your hand to the what? X. And the question says you should calculate the distance here, the distance between the tower to this place. Now, are we giving anything again? No, we are not giving anything again. So if we are going to do anything here, let's remove this. Remember, the whole of this one is 600. So this one is going to be what? 600 minus 15. 600 minus 15. What do you have here? You have 500 and what? 85 meter. So this side becomes what? 585. 585 meter. That begins the beginning. Now we need to find this place here. Let me calculate this. Let's take this one to be T. To be D. So you say now, so Katua, here you have what? Your opposite. Our opposite here, the side facing the angle 30 is what? 585 meter. And the D, here the hypotenuse becomes the D, and my angle theta becomes what? 30 degree. If I write so, Katua. Of course, we are opposite and hypotenuse here. Definitely what am I going to use? I'm going to use so. So from here, I can conclude. This one becomes what? I can use what? Sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. This one becomes what? Sine of 30 equals to my opposite. That is 585 over what? My hypotenuse, which is D, which we don't know. Sine 30, 1 over 2. So this one becomes what? 1 over 2 equals to 585 over D. Cross multiply here. You have the D to be what? 585 multiplied by 2. Please take out your adding machine. What do you have? 585. So you have 1170 meter. Remember, a tower is an island which you can take water to serve as a vantage point in which you can use to get a distance, where you can still comfortable to get a distance of the aeroplane. It's mostly applicable when you get to water airport, or it could be a security post. So always know a tower is always a high place above the what normal ground. If you are watching me, I'm Corporal Bola Abdulatin, but waiting from the headquarters of Mecca to Chura. Thank you.